This is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to scan a document on any Android phone. So this is very easy to do. So if you go to the camera app, you might be able to just go over it with the camera app and there will be a pop-up down here at the bottom, and that will be the easiest way to scan it. But on some of the phones, the lower model phones, they might not have some sort of AI integration. You can still scan it easily without any ads or anything. Just go to the Google apps right here and go to Google Drive. And open up Google Drive, and you can see I have something saved in here already. So let's go to cancel. Now when you're on the home screen of Google Drive, just go to the plus icon, go to scan, and then just go over the document you want to scan, and it should just automatically capture if you have the setting on in the bottom right. Then you got filters, crop, rotate, clean. So I don't know what clean does, but yeah, it looks really blue on my screen for some reason. And then we can go to next, and then we want to save it as a PDF or a JPEG, name it, and there's one page, and we can add multiple pages to it. And then we have the drive location, so it's going to save not on your phone but to your Google Drive account, so you can easily access this on your computer if you want, or another device. You just have to sign in with Google Drive and then just hit upload on the top right. So you do need an internet connection, it seems like, to save this right here. But go ahead and check this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.